Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom house for sale. It also comes with 2 half baths, along with floor space of approximately 9,800 square feet, spanning 3 levels. It sits on 0.82 acres of land with a panoramic, unobstructed view of the Caribbean Sea. It is 90% completed and located in the exclusive community of the Greens in the Northern Estates of St. James. This house has a palatial feel as you enter the gated yard, along with the interlocking brick pavers, and approach the 2-story port-cohere. The ground floor has an open concept plan with living, dining, kitchen, and family room opening onto a large veranda, capturing a view of the coastline. There are also 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on this level. The upper level has 3 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms and a large family room that opens out to a similar sized veranda, commanding a better view of the coastline than the floor below. The basement level has a 2-car garage, bedroom with ensuite bathroom, a large TV and games room, and a half bath. There is a large foyer that opens out onto the pool deck and backyard that is laden with coconut trees. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $1,550,000 or Jamaican $238.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.